Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to speak English confidently and fluently like native speaker. So, if you really want to speak English like native speaker, don't worry, you can speak in English like them. But you have to follow the steps. Look at the child who's just born in a US or Canada. They after just 2 or 3 year old child is speaking English, but he try. What they does? They listen and they repeat. Same thing you need to do. Start listening English media. It is very important because when you want to learn a language, you have to start listening that language and just repeat. Listen and repeat. So listen English media and repeat the words. But if you do not know about the vocabulary, so for that I am here to help you. Because without a vocabulary, how will you make a sentence? How will you speak? It is not possible. So vocabulary is very important. But in spite of vocabulary, there are so many things which is also important, like reading. Read newspaper every day. Read magazine or read any other book. It all depends upon you, whatever you like and what you want to read. It is your choice. So start reading newspaper from today itself. Like I read regularly Times of India. It is a very good newspaper. I used to read every day. I got all the news about what is happening in the financial market, what is happening in the country, what is happening in the world. I got all the news. Even the editorial page of the Times of India is amazing because I got so many advanced words which I use in my English speeches and also while teaching you on the YouTube channel. So let's start today's video with some interesting English words, vocabulary. So here we go. So the word for the day is circuitous. 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 Roundabout. The meaning. And now the time for sentence. The circuitous bus route between the two cities went here. Circumlocution. 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 An indirect expression. The lawyer's circumlocution left everyone in the courtroom wondering what had been said. Circumscribe. Circumscribe. Draw a line around. The Constitution clearly circumscribes the restriction that can be placed on our personal freedom. Circumspect. Cautious. Circumspect. As a public speaker, Nick was extremely circumspect. Circumvent. The spelling is Circumvent, frustrate. The meaning is frustrate. Our hopes for an early end of the meeting were circumvented. Civil. Civil, we all know about that. Civilized or courteous. Our dinner guests conducted themselves civilly when we told them we were not going to serve them dinner after all. Clandestine. Clandestine. Sneaky. The head of the CIA was upset when the agency's clandestine activities. Clemency. Mercy, forgiveness. Clemency, the spelling. The judge displayed clemency in giving the student a suspended sentence. Glitch. The final word for the day is CLICHE, overused. The expression you cannot judge a book by its cover. So we have done the words for the day. Now what you need to do, learn these words, write down these words in your notebook and make a sentence using these English vocabulary. Only you can improve your English. But you have to start thinking that you can speak in English. When you start thinking that I can speak in English, so you will definitely going to speak in English. It is just the matter of your attitude towards a learning new language. You have to be positive that you can also speak English confidently and fluently like the native speaker. So just think you can speak and your mind will start working like that. Our mind is amazing amazing thing in the human body. When you just think positively, so your mind will start working. It will start searching a reading material, start searching listening material like English media or English songs or movies, start searching vocabulary, how you can improve your vocabulary. And one more thing I would like to tell you, if you really want to speak in English, so try to speak in English from today itself. Speak in front of mirror, speak with your friends, or record your own voice. So you can do the self assessment. Talk with your friends in English, but those who can understand in English. So you have to do practice, practice, and practice. And when you do more and more practice, you will become a fluent English speaker one day. But it is a process, it is a consistency which you need to deliver towards English language. So I hope you will like the video of today. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.